Wow, what a surprise, it won't start.
So the GoPros died, sorry about that, I'm using my phone, but today is the big day. We are getting Ruby Red R ready for driving. It's heading over to Galpin Autosports. We're gonna remove the wheel spacers, we're gonna get the Ford oil air separators on the passenger side and driver side. We're gonna put the 2017 stock wheels and tires on the R because we're saving the carbon fiber wheels for special occasions, and we don't have the greatest roads, so we don't want to risk any cracks in those wheels. We're also going to get the splitter put on. What else are we going to do? Oh, the Expel clear vinyl wrap over the whole car, the wing, everything, every nook and cranny to make sure this ruby red paint is protected. We are on the trailer and we are getting ready to go. Beauty's done a great job getting the Ruby Red R to Galpin. It is 96 degrees outside. Woo! That's quiet. Cool. I don't know.
Here's our Ruby Red R with two Ford GTs right at home here. Today we are taking Orange Car in to look at some transmission options. If you're just joining the channel, we were on the track acquiring some data to adjust the suspension and brakes after our latest round of weight reduction and fitting on the Michelin Pilot Sport racing slicks. Now we've got to get in to look at some transmission options. Now we are dropping off Orange Car, and today is the day we pick up Ruby Red R. It is ready for the street, and we have the Expel front to back on the wing, every nook and cranny, so that paint is protected. We are here at Galpin Autosports. We are going to check on the transmission and the drive shaft. They want to check out the whole drivetrain, find out what's going on, see if there's anything else that could possibly be a problem. I'm going to be in the car right now. Stay tuned, we'll find out what's going on. We're going to get the car in right now. Right here? And we have the rollers for the 17 on there, so we can save our carbon fiber wheels for special events. We have the 17 GT350 wheels on there, so we don't crack the carbon fibers on the street. Good. Good. Stop. Ready to drive the trailer? Now, let's explore 5 reasons why we chose the GT350R. The car is incredibly relatable.
How relatable is the car? Is it easy to maintain? With regularly scheduled oil changes after each track day and all fluid changes, we have found the car operates perfectly, and we have had no issues with our 17 GT350 Wide-Body, leading us to believe we will have no issues with the GT350R.
Easiness of usabilification. Its drive-aroundiness is really unmatched.
Not only have we found the GT350 easy to maintain, but it is also well suited for a dual street and track purpose. This vehicle performs well on track and also off track. It is not extreme in either direction, really setting the middle ground for a great all-around performance vehicle. Now that the Boss is a dedicated track warrior that is no longer street legal, the GT350R bridges the gap between an all-out track warrior and a streetable Mustang. After a great deal of experience with the GT350 program, we were confident we knew how the R would drive on and off track. We were very familiar with the driving characteristics of the S550 chassis. We were fully aware of the pros and cons of the chassis.
Another factor that made us stay with the GT350 program, and specifically the R, is its gription.
Now, I don't want to bore you with scientific technical jargon. This car meets and exceeds all requirements, specifications, and standards set forth by the National Housing and Traffic Administration. You could literally drive this car in circles for hours. The most recent test with the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires on the GT350R scored a 100 in the gription category.
The next factor is the shift when ready transmission, or shift when you want transmission, or as the professionals in the industry call it, the go faster selector.
The gear selector mechanism in the GT350 is unmatched. This is future technology. This gear selector allows the driver to select any gear at any time. The amount of control and engagement with the car is unsurpassed. The driver has full control over all aspects of the vehicle.
And the final factor that won our hearts with this car was its exitability. Not to be confused with excitability.
Does the vehicle make you feel alive? Does it make you forget all of your problems and concerns? This car provides an outstanding out-of-body experience. It absolutely allows your soul to leave your body. It is definitely not the fastest car in the world, and it's not setting any lap time records, but it absolutely makes you feel alive and is one of the most fun cars to drive in the price range. Let's take a quick minute and review the 5 reasons why we chose the GT350R. How is its relatability? It is easy to repair and maintain, because really, it's just an S550 Mustang. Easiness of usabilification? Yes, it has good drive-aroundiness. It is great on track, it is great on the street, really, it's a great multi-purpose vehicle. Gription. This car is known for its gription. Excellent grip, great traction. The Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires are stellar. Shift when ready transmission, or the shift whenever you want transmission. This is self-explanatory. This transmission provides optimal driver engagement with the vehicle. Lastly, exitability. Does this car make you leave your body with excitement? The answer is yes. This car makes you feel alive and tingle from head to toe. Again, it's not the fastest car in the world, but it delivers on stimulating all 6 of your senses.
First, if you are still watching, thank you so much. Thank you for joining us on this journey as again we take our race cars to the racetracks, find out how they do, find out how we do. We also are looking forward to meeting you at the track, finding out what you drive and how your experience is with that car. That's one of the passions of this channel, is finding out how you enjoy your car at the track. I am really curious how other cars perform on the track. I am very curious to find out how your car drives on track, especially from you and your experience and your opinion. We've got a lot planned for 2020. We've got a lot of cars to take to the track. And again, we're not professional drivers. We are just hobbyists, we're enthusiasts, and we're sharing our experiences with you, how these particular
other cars perform on track. And I'm really hoping this year we might be able to get on a few private roads out in the California desert, Nevada desert. I'm not sure, but I hear there's certain times and certain places and certain people you can talk to that can get you on these roads. And I would definitely love to take Ruby Red R on those roads and a few other cars that will be joining us in 2020. Thank you again for joining us, and we will see you in the next upload.